Now let's have this problem. So perform what is asked. Number 1, Bobby used 1 and 3/4 meters of material for a polo shirt and 3 and 2/3 meters for a jacket. How many meters did he use altogether? So as you can see, we are asked to find the total meters. So for polo shirt, he used 1 and 3/4. Then for jacket, he used 3 and 2/3. So all you have to do is to add uh, those two fractions. So we have 1 and 3/4 plus 3 and 2/3. So change it to improper fraction. 1 and 3/4 is 7 over 4 in improper fraction. Then 3 and 2/3 is 11 over 3 in fraction. Then proceed to addition. As you can see, they are dissimilar fraction. You have to find the LCD. The LCD of this fraction is 12. Okay, so that will be our denominator. So 12. To have our numerator, 12 divide 4, that is 3 times 7, that is 21, plus 12 divide 3, that is 4 times 11, that is 44. Now, 21 plus 44 is 65 over the denominator 12. You can simplify this by reducing it to lowest term. So 65 divided 12 is 5 and 5 over 12. Therefore, our conclusion will be Bobby used 5 and 5 over 12 meters of material. So how about this one? A carpenter needs a 40 and 3/4 centimeter piece of wood. How much is left after he cut off the needed material from a 96 centimeter piece of wood? So as you can see, we have 96 centimeter piece of wood. If the carpenter used 40 and 3/4 of that wood, what will be the remaining centimeter piece of wood? So what are you going to do is to subtract that piece of wood the carpenter needs. So by the given or the whole piece of wood, which is the 96 centimeter. So 96 minus 40 and 3/4. So this whole number will become fraction. So 96 over 1 minus 163 over 4. This will be 40 and 3/4 in mixed fraction. Okay, we just made it improper fraction. Now, let's proceed. Let's have the LCD is 4. Okay, so the denominator is 4. 4 divide 1 is 4 times 96. That is 384. 4 divide 4 is 1 times 163. That is 163. So 384 minus 163 is 221 over 4. And that is equal to 55 and 1/4. Just divide 221 by 4. And this will be your result. So our conclusion will be there is 55 and 1/4 centimeter piece of wood remaining after a carpenter cut off the needed material. Okay, that will be the remaining centimeter piece of wood, 55 and 1/4. How about this one? What is the length of 4 pipes with each pipe measuring 60 and 3/8 centimeter long? So since we are looking for the length of more pipes given the length of each, we will use multiplication as operation. So if one pipe is equal to 60 and 3/8 centimeter long, now to find 4 pipes, we have to multiply it by the given measure of one pipe. So 4 times 60 and 3/8. So since we have mixed fraction, just make it improper fraction. So just copy 4 or express it in fraction, that is 4 over 1. Then 8 times 60, that is 480, plus 3, that is 483, over the denominator 8. Now let's proceed to multiplication. So you can cancel this if you want, but if you don't want to, then proceed to multiplication. Numerator times numerator, 4 times 483, that is 1,932. Then 1 times 8 is 8. Now we have 1,932 divided by 8 is 241 and 1 half. Therefore, the total length of 4 pipes is 241 and 1 half centimeter long. Okay? So, that will be our unit. 241 and 1 half centimeter long. Okay, how about this one? Cherry made 1 half of a quart of hot chocolate. Each mug holds 1 over 10 of a quart. How many mugs will Cherry be able to fill? So, since we are going to distribute 1 half of a quart of hot chocolate in a mug that holds 1/10 of a quart, we will use division as operation. So, so we have 1 half divided by 1 over 10 for us to have the number of mug. Okay, so since we are dealing with division, we have to reciprocal this second fraction. So 1 half times, so let's proceed to multiplication. 1 over 10 will become 10 over 1. Therefore, 1 times 10 is 10, 2 times 1 is 2, and 10 over 2 is 5. So, Cherry will be able to fill 5 mugs in his 1 half of a quart of hot chocolate. Now it's your turn. Solve the following problems. You can pause this video to solve the following problems. Okay, you can check your answer if it is correct. So for number 1, we have 1 and a half. For number 2, we have 1 and 1 over 8. And for number 3, we have 1/3. So that would be all, and God bless you all.